puncture clip is composed of upper base, puncture piece, silicone sleeve, lower base, waterproof terminal cap sleeve, and torque nut. The base is made of insulation and flame-retardant material, hard and not easy to damage, corrosion and aging resistance. The puncture piece is made of copper, tinned on the surface, with strong electrical conductivity and oxidation resistance. High-quality torque nut, corrosion-resistant, not easy to aging, long life, nut is not charged, can be installed under the state of power, safe for operation. Install the waterproof terminal cap cover into the corresponding card slot. Install the branch line. Install the main line. Feeder embedded waterproof terminal cap. Twist torque nut clamp wire. When the clamp is tightened, the silicone sleeve wraps the wire, and the puncture piece punctures the insulation shell of the wire, forming the wiring effect. The wire clamp contains insulation and heat conduction oil, which improves the overall sealing, insulation strength and electrical conductivity. When the top of torque nut breaks, installation is complete.